Ang epal, charot.
Today. Dapat today.
Matcha strawberry garlic.
Ay, yes. Thank you so much. Ayan.
Taray. So hi everyone, nandito kami ngayon sa Cosby. Ano ba unahin natin? Pentakulo o ano?
Dahil ano, parang dapat yung height nito adjust. Pentakulo.
Pentakulo.
What's pentakulo?
Parang cups muna.
May meeting sila doon.
So ayaw niyo pumunta ng cups.
Parang pala tayo naka-black today.
Yeah. Nag-uniform tayo eh. Ano ba alam?
Hindi. Oh, wala kang viewers si Anam Caro. Ikaw may 6 viewers ka.
Hi! So
Ay.
guys, if you can, join us at Anam Cara. We'll be teaching, this is for episode 2 of the Springboard to Tarot. So we're now here with Ninja May. Don't look at the crotch. Charot. Dahil mamaya mag-ano ako. Dapat pa-virgin. Okay. So we'll be talking about the tarot in a bit. Particularly for this episode, we're going to talk about 2 suits, no? We're going to talk about the suit of Pentacles and also Cups. So yeah, jump in doon sa ating sa Anam Cara, no? Because we're going to talk about that later. Sige lang, go lang. Hi ka, kuya. Si Sir Ken. Tama ba?
Yes, po.
Oh, diba? Perfect.
Ay, baliktad. Ayan, hi Adam! Hi Jade! Ayan.
Diyan sila, Jay.
Palike naman ang live sa for both Nick and Anam Caro. So, we can be featured in the FYP page ng mga tao. Ayan. Magsimula na ba tayo? By the way,
We
guys,
can wait for the others.
Oo. We can wait for the others naman. So, while waiting, we are here sa Cosby Cafe sa Quezon City, Project 6. Project 6 Quezon City. So, yun. Thank you, Cosby Cafe, for having us over. Or for letting us use the venue for this event. So, yan.
Sige. Siyempre dapat meron akong cards at pakita natin na
Oy, thank you, Shivani, for... Amoy elixir. Ikaw ba yun?
Hindi, may Palo Santo din kasi
Ah,
kasama
okay.
yung
Oo, may elixir. Oy, thank you guys for liking the live. Ayan. Sa mga hello sa followers ni Nick. You can head on to Anam Caro para may viewers tayo sa Anam
Shut up. Hindi, what are you
Hindi,
going to do is, mag-ano ako, what do you call this?
What?
Sticker. Gusto ko yung wet.
Alin?
Sticker natin
Ayan.
para, yan.
Naka-cover yung face. Ayan. Ayan. Oy, hello sa Oy, hello, Mamoy. Ay, thank you, Shivani, for the gift.
Kala pupunta si
Ay, ala ka.
si Mamo.
Akala ko rin. Kaya lang parang wala siya. So, parang hindi.
Wala siya talaga, girl. Parang hindi ko siya nakikita din.
Parang wala.
Pakitaan kasi ng barahan, para
Ay, oo, parang masabing tarot readers tayo.
At mag-read na tayo for the others here. Guys, better if you're joining us through, those in my, what do you call this, profile, pasama naman kami dito sa, sa Anam Cara Spirituality. Kasi we're going to start reading there as well. Okay? Mag-hi nga pala tayo dito sa mga friends natin nandito sa Cosby.
Sa studio.
So, we're now
Parang hindi
at
tayo.
Cosby here in Project 6, no? It's a very cozy cafe. So, if you want good coffee and ambience, punta kayo dito, no? They're actually open tayo ngayon for live studio audience.
Yes. So, sa mga taga-QC, it's not too late pa to, to come over to Cosby Cafe for the workshop and for free tarot reading. So yun, hello sa mga pumapasok sa ating live.
Ang sarap na
Good
itong...
evening everyone. So ayan yung ating mga live studio audience, live studio audience. So anyway, ano bang meron ngayon?
Ano nga
bang
ba?
meron? Wala. Wala.
Tatambay lang
Gusto
tayo.
namin mag-live, gano'n.
Di ba maniwala?
Hindi,
Wala.
charot lang. O yeah, anyway, brief introduction muna siguro. Ano ba? So yon, hello everyone sa lahat ng hindi nakakaalam. This is Nick, Reflections with Nick, and I'm Ninja May from Adam Caros. So we are going to do a completely beginner's guide sa tarot. So hindi lang to sa basta sa mga beginners lang. Also the ones na meron ng alam pero gusto pa nilang hasain yung yung abilities nila in learning the tarot. So yon. Meron kaming, we are here at Cosby Cafe in Project 6, Quezon City. So, open pa naman sila. So, we're here. Kung gusto nyo kaming mapanood ng live or gusto nyo ng free readings also from us. Bihira lang kami mag-pro bono. So, di ba, Nick?
True.
Bihira mag-pro bono.
Parang may pressure, di ba?
Oo, di ba? Hindi, si Nick nagpa-pro bono. Ako, hindi talaga.
Minsan lang.
Minsan, just today. Ayan, may pro bono readings tayo for sa mga and also sa mga sa mga magjo-join ng live probably parang for case studies. So yan, simulan na natin sa ano bang agenda natin for today, Professor?
Uy, professor talaga. Una, maraming salamat Cosby for this wonderful coffee and for hosting us. Well, anyway, ano bang agenda for today? Ano nga ba? Hindi. So last week, what we did is, this is episode 2. On episode 1, we gave an overview regarding tarot, and the structure of the tarot, particularly the major and the minor arcana, and then the suits in the minor arcana, the pip cards, and the court cards. So for this episode, we're going to talk or start talking about the meanings of each individual cards. Particularly for this episode, we're going to talk about the suit of Pentacles and the suit of Cups. So the suit of Pentacles, it corresponds to finances, wealth, resources. On the other hand, yung suit of Cups talks about emotions, creativity, feelings, relationships. So we're going to talk about that for today, Okay lang ba tayo doon, Miss May?
Yes, okay naman. Parang may pressure din doon. Okay lang ba doon? Magkukontra ka ba? Hindi, oo. Tama yun. Kaperahan at kadiluluhan. Sorry nga. Pera and pag-ibig mostly.
Yeah, kasi isip namin, New Year, malamang, ito yung gustong malaman ng mga viewers, Ito yung mga usual na tinatanong din naman sa live namin pag ganitong kapanahunan ng mag-New Year. So, unahin natin yung suit na yon. Right.
Uy, pero bago yan.
O sige, ano nga ba?
Ano ba pinag-usapan natin last? Hindi ba magre-recap tayo?
Yeah, sige. Ayun. Hindi. So our recap by the way, if you missed the first episode, I think the full episode is already uploaded sa ating YT channel. Just look for
Anam Cara. So same username as the profile sa banner ni Nick at sa kung saan man kayo live naka-join.
Ayun. So it's the same So head on to that So what did we talk about doon sa first episode? So first we talked about the tarot and common misconceptions in the tarot, including yung pronunciation niya.
Yes.
Na better if you're going to call it tarot rather than tarot. Okay. And what does it mean? Its basic structure. So we talked about that the tarot is just a set of cards or a deck of cards that's made up of 78 cards, individual cards. Now those 78 cards can be divided into two, the major arcana and the minor arcana. Arcana means secrets. Yun. So the major arcana is a set of 22 cards. So from card 0, card 1 until card 21. So 22 cards yun. And it talks about the fool's journey, no? Some tarot readers would call it the fool's journey. So whenever major arcana comes out in a reading, it usually refers to very big themes or archetypes, no? Okay? And pag minor arcana naman, these are kumbaga mga supporting minor details in the everyday life as compared to yung mga bigger chunks na chapters na nakikita natin doon sa major arcana. Okay? The minor arcana, on the other hand, is made up of 56 cards. Tama ba ang math ko?
Yes.
Tama. 56 cards. Na madidivide into 4 suits. Parang yung usual na baraha. Diba? Okay? And actually, nagko-correspond siya doon. So what are the 4 suits? We have the suit of cups. We have the suit of pentacles, that which we're going to discuss today. We also have the suit of swords and wands, which we are going to discuss on the following episode. No, and each of those has their corresponding themes as well. So, for example, yung sa cups na pag-uusapan natin ngayon, it corresponds to emotions, feelings, creativity, and stuff like that. Now, how about dun sa suit of pentacles? It talks about the earth energy, so resources yan, finances, anything financial, wealth, dun yan sa pentacles. Okay? Now, for the next episode, we're going to have the suit of wands that talks about passion, desire, movement, fire, energy, and also the suit of swords, which talks about the element of air. So, thoughts, mind, communication, and very recently, internet nga daw. Okay, so probably we're going to talk about that later on. Tapos, ang alam ko, inano rin natin, no? Pumunta na rin tayo dun sa mga numerology, parang very basics of it.
very brief.
Okay, so from ace to 10, and then even the court cards, no? From the page, and the knight, and then the queen, and the king.
Yes.
So I think that wraps up the second episode. Charot! And then the first episode.
Okay na, So yeah, a recap for episode 1. So again, if you missed it, you can go ahead and visit our YT channel. Doon naka-upload yung full episode. So for this episode, simulan na natin. Pero bago yan, charing.
Ang dami naman bago yan. Kailan naman tayo matatapos?
I-promote naman natin yung Cosby. What are you having tonight?
I'm having coffee. Charot. Ano to? Pakita rin, syempre yung staff natin. Thank you very much for being here, no? Sila Mariel, sila...
Yes.
Okay lang ba? Pakita namin kayo. Ayan, nagmask sila.
Oo nga.
Shy sila ngayon. Si Ken and si... Sorry. Rap. Ayun.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Ayan.
Sa staff ng Cosby.
So, Cosby community is at the heart of Quezon City and Project 6, no? This is Alley 2 of Road 6. Tama? Alley 2, Road 6. So, if you want good coffee and good snacks, it's always open, no? And I think later on, parang may sinabi si Clean, no? Hopefully meron yung parang some snacks that we can also showcase sa kanila.
Parang potato chip dip and
Na covered.
Oo, parang gano'n. Mga pang anak ng burgis na snacks, gano'n.
Diba? Dati lang tayo, yung potato chips.
Oo, ngayon.
Magbabalat lang ng patata si Princess Sarah.
Oo, ngayon.
Ikakat-kat.
Ay, pa-chocolate.
O go na, daldal natin.
O, di ka na. O, suit of pentacles. Ayan, nag-intro na tayo. So, malamang yung mga yan, suit of pentacles na tayo. So, kaperahan. The pentacles talks about mostly about material world, diba?
Yes.
Yes. So, ayan, Professor. Pakita na natin ang ating suit of pentacles.
Ayan. So, ayan na po ang ating mga pentakulo. But other decks would call it not pentacles, but rather coins.
Coins.
Disc. Other decks would call it also the suit of discs. And yung mga makabago, iba-iba yun. May mga suit of biscuits, kung ano-ano pang suit of cookies, suit of plates. Well, parang pansin ko lagi pagkain, yung pinag-uusapan. Pero yun, basta if it refers to earth energies, if it corresponds to earth energy, no, kaperahan, wealth, and resources, probably that's the suit of pentacles. Just a reminder, no, we're focusing now on the RWS system, no, or the Rider-Waite-Smith system, which is a very descriptive system or deck of cards, and we really encourage everyone, if you're learning the tarot, to start with this deck rather than
Yeah.
something else, no? Later on, pag mention na embrace nyo na yung meanings ng mga cards, probably that's the time you transition to a more intuitive deck, no?
Yes.
Compared to this one. So, but if you're starting, we really suggest that you start with the RWS, the Rider-Waite-Smith. Okay, so probably we can start with the card meanings. Anyway, yun naman din yung pinunta natin, no?
Yes.
Okay, so just a recap, we're talking about the suits now, and each suit now in the Minor Arcana is made up of 14 cards. Okay, so 14 cards, the first 10 would be the pip or the numbered cards, and then yung last 4 would be yung court cards. Although sabi natin, pips lang ang di-discuss natin, pero pasadahan na rin natin probably yung court cards, no? Para at least kompleto yung ano nila, yung entire suit nila.
Yes.
Okay. So, ano lang, tawag nito, just a reminder before we go dun sa start ng mga meanings, no. There's no right or way daw of reading the tarot. Sabi nila, you can actually read it intuitively. However, knowing the traditional meanings kasi of each cards would help us connect to, if you are familiar with yung Carl Jung, a psychoanalyst, no, to the collective unconscious, which is yung innate, natural, yung minana natin na understanding sa different symbols. Kumbaga, pinanganak tayo na naiintindihan na natin kasi yung mga certain symbols, and we communicate and talk to each other using those symbols. So this is something that we share. Ibig sabihin, yung symbol na yon, naiintindihan ko, naiintindihan mo, naiintindihan ng ibang tao, naiintindihan ng tao, pero it's just there embedded at the back of our mind. So it's okay for you to read intuitively, but this practice of us talking about the meanings of each cards, kumbaga, mas mapapadali yung pagkaintindi natin dun sa card meanings na nasa collective unconscious. Okay?
Yes.
So if you feel when you read na iba ang sinasabi ng card ko kaysa dun sa diniscuss natin today, that's fine. Okay? Sabi nga ni Paul Foster Case, which was reminded yesterday to me by Sir Rob, of Mysterium, na ang purpose of tarot is to provoke thought. And as long as it's provoking your thoughts, it's actually doing its purpose. Okay? Sige. So, of course, start na tayo. Ito na talaga.
Is ba?
Yeah. Ayan.
Yeah,
parang better if we're going to use this, no? Teka lang nga. Sige.
Kasi
Hanapin
maliit
natin. Ang liit, no?
Oo.
So, hanapin natin dito sa Gamitin natin yung tablet natin. At hopefully, makita natin yung mas mapalaki natin yung mga
Mga pa-tablet natin. Oo nga pala, hello sa ating studio audience. Ayan sila nasa likod. Habang naghahanap si Professor, say hi.
Ayan.
Ano si Paul? Ayan.
Yan, okay.
Ating mga
Yan na, start na tayo.
Go!
Okay, sige. So, I won't go deep dun sa dun sa traditional meanings kasi baka mamaya mawala, you would lose interest also. At least we're going to start with the keywords, okay? My suggestion is for each of the cards, get at least 3 keywords or come up with 3 keywords. Okay? Come up with 3 keywords. Now, also, my suggestion is, when I was learning, for each of the cards, ang 3 keywords ko would fall under the 3. Each of the 3. Madaling matandaan, SSS.
ano yon?
Situation. So, if you see this card, what situation is the querent in right now?
Okay.
Pangalawang S, suggestion or suggested action. If this comes out, anong pwedeng gawin ng querent? Okay? And lastly, stay away. The last S is stay away. If this card comes out, what would you say to the client to steer away from or stay away from? Kumbaga, may do's and may don'ts at situation. Okay? Kasi it will be more empowering for you rather than kunyari ang spread nyo lang past, present, future. Parang situation lang yun. Pero anong sasabihin mo dun sa querent? What are you going to do? I think that will be more empowering. So come up, my suggestion is, if you're going to have keywords, have at least those 3. The situation, if this card comes out, what situation is the querent in right now? The suggestion, suggested action, ano yung pwedeng gawin, the do, and the lastly, stay away, steer away, something that yung hindi wag gawin.
Wag gawin.
Ng client. Okay? So, let's start with the Ace of Pentacles. Yan. So, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace, kumbaga, talks about, ano yan? One. Sa madaling salita, one yan. Okay? So because it's number one talks about the start of something. The beginning of something.
Opportunities according to
Yes.
your last class.
Yun.
Nakikinig ako.
Perfect. Ayun nga din, no? Actually, mas gusto ko yung term na
Yes,
opportunity, no? Especially with the aces. Bakit? Kasi yun nga, no? Kasi pag sinabi nyo, there will be a start of something.
Yeah.
There will be a beginning of something. Tendency kasi sa querent is, ayun, sige, in a bit. A tendency dun sa ng querent is, kumbaga parang hihintayin na lang nila yung opportunity na ito. Lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? At ayun naman natin yung mangyari.
Pero ako guilty ako doon before the class. Siyempre ako may natututunan din ako sa mga paandar namin ganito. No? Dati ginagamit ang yung beginning, ganyan. Ngayon medyo iniiwasan ko na kasi doon nga sa point ni Nick na new opportunity. Mas maganda siyang pakinggan ng new opportunities rather than a new beginning.
Pero to
Whatever.
each their own. Pag
Yeah.
nagamit niyo yung beginnings, it means it's intuitive na pumasok. And embrace that. Okay? Now, sige, let's go with the Ace of Pentacles now. So, if this comes out, so pagdudungtungin nyo lang yung Ace, ibig sabihin ng Ace would be opportunities, beginning of something, a start of something, and because this is coins or discs or pentacles, it's a beginning or an opportunity for you to expand yung kaperahan, yung inyong resources, ang inyong finances, and anything that is of earth energy, no, material things. And whatever you feel is actually resources, those are
Yeah.
Ace of Pentacles. Right?
Yes.
Yun nga muna siguro, wag na or landinan ba natin?
Wag na!
I think that would be enough. No? Kung completely beginner ka, yun. So, it's a start of something. So, for example, tinanong ng querent, no, na sa business, o kamusta yung magiging business, no? Any insights when it comes to my career? Ganun na lang. Pag lumabas ang Ace of Pentacles, what would it mean for you?
For me.
For me ba?
You're nasa...
Na-spotlight ba kita? Sorry
Hindi
naman.
naman. Hindi.
Okay.
Ano ba? Sorry, career?
Career, yes.
A new opportunity to expand your career or probably another stream of, or another channel na makakakuha ka ng resources mo,
Yeah.
pwedeng gano'n. Not necessarily focus siya sa career, but another opportunity.
Yeah. So, anything that will give opportunity for expanding your resources. No?
Yes,
So, it could be, pwede nga may promotions. Diyan, syempre, mas malaki yung pera doon. Okay?
A gift, sabi ni Adam.
Pwede, yeah.
A gift,
Definitely,
yes.
no? Baka may magdo-donate, may magsa-sponsor ng
yes.
something. Or probably someone who's going to also invest on your business. Okay?
Yeah.
Ayan, so also a business opportunity, an inspiration for a business opportunity. So those are, kumbaga, parang Ace of Pentacles energies. No?
Yes.
Now, a few things about it, you can also see in the background, parang yung Ark of the Garden, which is a reminiscent of also, ayan, kita ba? Ayan, at the Ark, which is reminiscent dun sa World card. Of course, we do
Yes.
not understand what the World card is, but we've talked about it in the, in the previous episode. The World card talks about kasi the end of something, the completion of a cycle. So because this, you can see there a wreath, no? Parang comparable with the World card. It could also be, baka mamaya ang mangyari dun sa client or dun sa query, it's may mag-end muna bago merong
Yes,
opportunity.
bago may pumasok, diba?
Okay, so look at the also, if ever that happens, look at the bright side also, no. Kunyari, kaka-end lang ng business and nalugi kasi. Don't worry, this ending would mean that there's an opportunity also coming for you, no. And also, if you're going to see farther doon sa likod, no, there are mountains. And in the tarot, no, pag may mountains, usually it refers to mga challenges. Okay? So for example, if there's a new business opportunity, expansion of business, it doesn't necessarily mean na kumbaga, it's all smooth sailing moving forward.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin na, there will be starts of something, but there will be challenges along the way. And that's fine. Okay? Ganun naman talaga pagdating sa business eh.
Yes.
Ayun.
Galing yung professor. May natutunan ba kayo? Tiyan.
Wala.
Wala.
Okay, punta na tayo sa Two of.
Two of Pentacles.
Okay, punta na tayo sa Two of Pentacles.
Ayan.
Okay, punta na tayo sa Two of Pentacles. Ayaw na naman niya. Ayan, so ito po ang Two of Pentacles, no? Ayan.
Yan.
Okay? So, again, what are twos, no? So, twos talks about, in the tarot, dualities.
Duality.
Okay?
Choices.
Choices. Anything that is two. Okay? Binaries, no? So, if you have choices, if you have two options, that's a choice. Okay? And balance, usually.
yes.
Okay? Everything is in balance. The twos also talks about, no? Because everything is in balance, you may not feel that there is a sense of growth. Okay? Parang in the ace kasi, no? It's considered as a seed. You're going to plant a seed pagdating sa ace. Now, if you plant a seed, hindi naman yan agad-agad uusbong, diba? Kahit sabihin mong diniligan mo yan ng diniligan, but growth is under the surface. So, the twos talks about tawag nito, there's quietness and stillness. There is, kumbaga, parang staleness of things. But don't worry because growth is actually happening under the surface.
Yes. So I think sa lahat ng suits, parang the pentacles are the slowest to move, right?
Agree, yes. Actually nga, no, pag pentacles yung lumalabas, tapos timing yung pinag-uusapan,
Tagal.
tagal yan. Years, months to years pa nga ang lumalabas pag pentacles, no? As compared to the kabilisan talaga ng wands yan.
Kaya kapag nagmamadali, lumabas ang pentacles sa reading mo. Manahimik ka. Charing.
True. Pero din, the good thing
yeah,
about it, no, lalo na kung pentacles, you don't want, pagdating sa pentacles, lalo na sa Knight of Pentacles, which we're going to talk about later on, ayaw mo naman mabilisan pagdating sa pera. Kasi pwedeng easy come, easy go yun eh.
Yes.
Diba? So, slow but sure ang earth energies din kasi. Okay, so again, going back dun sa twos, no, two talks about dualities, balance of things. And as a matter of fact, you can see here, ayan, dito, you can see here, someone who's juggling two pentacles, and you have the infinity symbol or the lemniscate, no? That's and you will be seeing the lemniscate a few more times in the future cards, which talks about infinity. Okay, so what does this mean? Plain and simple, the keyword would be multitasking. Okay, juggling between tasks, and when this comes out, it means this person or the querent is able to juggle, multitask, no? And kumbaga, give themselves fully doon sa lahat ng task without struggle. Yun yung ano. However, because ang dito is ginajuggle niya. May isang pentacle na mas mataas, may mas mababa. Okay? The suggested action is, yes, you may have a lot of things going on inside, in your
Play.
in your plate. You have different businesses, you have a lot of tasks pagdating sa career. You have to also prioritize.
Yes.
Okay? Hindi pwedeng pare-parehas na 50, pag dalawang yung task mo, 50-50 yan. You have to also prioritize. And sometimes you need to change also priorities and really weigh the options, no? What is urgent, what's not urgent, what's more important, what's important. So that's the and sometimes it becomes an infinite cycle. You have to do it again and again and again. At dahil yun, baka mas stuck ka din dun sa cycle na yun. Yun,
So,
kaya
can be good also.
Oh, yes. Kaya nga, sabi natin, ang twos could be stillness.
Yes.
Because you have a lot also of things going on in your plate, baka mamaya you will be stuck in that cycle, that infinite cycle of juggling between these two. And you may not feel that you are growing. Okay? And that's actually yung nasa likod, no? You can see their emotions, no? Which is water. Basta may tubig sa emotions yan. Is actually medyo, tawag nito, wavy na. Unti-unti. Although makikita mo, halos pare-parehas sila ng wave. Di ba? Ayan. Pare-parehas sila ng wavelength. Pero medyo tumataas-taas na. Kaya pa, oo.
Kaya pa.
Pero
Hanggang
medyo
saan?
struggle na.
Hanggang saan?
Yes. And yung makikita mo din na may dalawang shapes.
Yes.
Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, parang naiwan na yung juggler. Okay? Because this person is too much focused on juggling, prioritizing things, new opportunities may be left. Kumbaga, parang the ship has sailed nga. Yung ginagamit ng mga That was a term ni Sir Ro. Kay borrowing an idiom, a very known idiom.
Pero ang tanong ko sa iyo, Prof, paano kapag lumabas ang pentacle sa isang love reading?
Alam mo na yan.
Bago mo sagutin yan, meron tayong papakitang from,
Sige,
ano
go.
natin to? Cosby, it's their product. What's this? Ano to? Choc Potato. So, ito
Choc-O-Tato.
ito yung sinasabi naming snack na, pwede pong buksan mo.
Pwede kainin.
Pwede kayo.
Pwede sa Charot. Paudino ko.
So ano siya, potato chips covered in chocolate.
Yan. Sige, ano muna natin? I-display muna natin si Two of Pentacles. Sige, go. Kaya mo yan. Habang binubuksan mo, sabihin na natin paano pag lumabas sa love reading.
Yan ang dapat yung abangan.
Ayaw mo talagang sabihin ko
Ayaw.
na agad. Sige, fine.
Charing.
O yan. Pakita
Sabihin,
na
ang kapal ng mukha nito may-ari ng anong ka. Pasabi
Te,
sa akin.
lungad na ako
Hindi,
dito.
tinitingnan ko kung anong klaseng chocolate kasi yung kasi diba?
Hindi ko alam basta mukha siya masarap.
Pero sabi niya, locally grown, so no added preservatives.
Yeah, I think it came from the siguro pwede naman, no? The same makers as if you have tried yung Mikasa ba yun?
Bola-
Mikasa?
Di ba
yung
bola?
O sige, i-shoot mo.
Hindi, alam ko kasi yung Royce na
Philippines din yun?
Ay, Philippines hindi. Natikman ko na ganito, Royce.
Okay. O hindi. yung
Mikasa.
yung sa tawag nito
Sa
sa
ano yung
Baguio.
Mikasa?
Sa Baguio, di ba? From
yung
Baguio,
nasa ganon.
yung cornflakes na naka-covered with
Ang baka
chocolate.
niya, may kasa mo. Anyway, baka malus yung composure ko. Wag na.
Pahingin na.
Ito siya, potato chips na covered in chocolate from, parang siya nung may kasa na nasa yung
Same
garapon.
maker, pero hindi
same
siya cornflakes. This is potato chips. Ayun, very generously coated siya.
Yeah.
Pero, hopefully, hindi naman ako diabetic, malapit lang amin.
Magkano po isang bag?
Parang kaka-launch lang sa kanya at yung pricing will be TBA.
TBA daw, pero kung gusto nyo
Ayun
itry,
naman, pahingin naman ako tissue. Okay lang.
meron sa dito sa Cosby Community Cafe. Ayan. Masarap. Very generously coated yung chocolate. Sweet and salty combination.
Okay.
Ako din ba yung tissue, ma'am, sir?
Huwag na.
Ano ba?
Okay lang.
Okay na, please. Pag gusto mo ibigay yung buong O yan. Hello sa sa mga viewers natin.
Kaya sagutin mo na pag Two of Pentacles.
Ay, sorry. Ano ba yun?
Pag Two of Pentacles sa love reading, anong ibig sabihin nito?
Depende sa tanong.
May ba tawag nito? Anong kailangan ko malaman sa ginagawa ng jowa ko ngayon?
Hindi ka priority. Diretso. Paring gano'n pero depende sa context. Pero yung i-cover natin sa mga next few workshops siguro, yung mga ganong nuances ng mga parang paano lang, pahapyaw lang yan.
True.
Tapos na tayo sa 2, doon tayo sa 3.
Okay, so Three of Pentacles. This one medyo tawag nito, pa-sweet yung pentacles dito. Hindi masyadong kita, pero the pentacles is actually there. Okay, so again, when we talk of threes, threes talks about ito na yung growth. So kung kanina, sa ones or aces, you sowed the seed, pinlant mo, naghintay ka ng pag-uusbong, eto, umuusbong na. Nag-grow na. So three talks about growth. Okay? In a family, di ba? Pagkatapos na mayroong magulang, magka-baby, the family is growing.
The family is planning.
Kaya laging two na lang.
Oo.
Okay, so growth na ang pagdating na sa Three of Pentacles, this talks about growth na. Okay? And yun nga, fertility and creativity, those are the themes of the threes kasi, no? Kaya nga, dun sa Major Arcana, hindi siya, ang correspondent niya sa Major Arcana would be the Empress. Okay? So yun. Ano ang meron sa Three of Pentacles? Three of Pentacles, one of the most known cards if you have been watching yung sa Disney Channel yung Agatha All Along. Kasi parang isa din sa lumabas na, no? This talks about teamwork, collaboration, and cooperation. Okay, ayan. So teamwork, collaboration, communication with the team, no? So you can see there, three people. Tatlong katauhan. Okay? So one is a craftsman, or kumbaga siya yung builder talaga. And then the other two are the planners, no? So probably one is an engineer, the other one is an architect, hindi ko alam. Malibat sa pagiging isang pare, siya isang architect. Parang they're showing the plan and the other person is kumbaga listening. to it, no, and doing things, no. So the thing about it is, it's also recognizing what each of the team members is bringing to the table, no. Okay, this is that kind of teamwork na you don't have to be on the same direction of things, or rather, you don't need to be doing the same with each other, but kailangan pare-parehas yung vision nyo. You have a vision in mind, you have a plan in mind, and you're working towards that, and you're bringing to the table your gifts. So if ang ang specialization mo ay isang craftsman, more on yun nga, pag-build talaga, that is something that is celebrated. Okay, pag yan ang lumabas, parang na-appreciate ng team members mo na ikaw ay yung pagiging craftsman mo. Pag ikaw ay isang architect dito, parang believe sila sa pagiging architect mo at tiwala sila sa'yo. So all you need to do is cooperate and coordinate with each other. So yan ang three of Pentacles. So, very good card when it comes to career. Okay? Yeah. So again when we go through the pip cards, when we go to the meanings, make sure pag ganito yung situation, pag lumabas to, anong situation, anong suggestion, and what do you have to steer away from. So i-apply ba natin?
Wag na.
Wag na, diretso na tayo sa Four of Pentacles. Right? So the three of Pentacles is yun. Tawag nito, cooperation, collaboration, teamwork. Okay. Now, how about dun sa Four of Pentacles? Okay. The Four talks about, yan. So, nag-grow na. Pagdating sa Four, this is, just imagine a square. Okay, a square or a table with 4 legs. So, when a table has 4 legs, it's stable.
Yes.
Okay? So, yun ang ibig sabihin if you have, when you have a 4. Everything is well-founded na, meron na maganda na yung pundasyon, well organized, well structured na ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay? Kaya lang ang square medyo boring nga daw. Kaya okay? Sometimes it's that effect, no. Okay? So yan, yun yung Four of Pentacles. Kaya makikita mo dito sa Four of Pentacles, no. Okay? You have a person who is wearing a crown, okay, and kumbaga parang ang yaman na ng itsura niya. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pagdating sa kaperahan, kumbaga meron na siyang say. Okay? Meron na siyang say, meron na siyang pundasyon, meron na siyang napatunayan. Yan. Kaya lang, if you're going to look at it, no, yan. Medyo ganun siya pagdating sa pera. Okay? There's excessive love of money. Masyado siyang guarded dun sa minsan kasi may ganung materialistic.
Kuripot.
True.
Burak.
Hugot ka, friend.
Hindi, joke.
Bawal ang ganito pag kayo ay bumibili sa Anang Cara.
Yes.
Okay, stay away.
Bawal ako rin pag kumibig sa Anong Cara.
Ayan. So that's the Four of Pentacles. No? So siya tawag nito. Minsan ganoon no. Parang habang mas marami kang pera na accumulate, mas natatakot kang gastusin siya at gumastos kasi sayang parami na, dumadami na yung pera, mas naging kuripot at mas nagiging guarded kapag dating sa kaperahan. Ganun yung but for me no, if I'm Catholic kasi no, I'm Catholic. Let me share lang, if you're familiar with the parable of the coins, yun kasi, the parable of the coins really translates this for me, no? Wherein one of the servants daw, okay, or a couple of servants were given coins. Binigyan ng master, binigyan ng coins. And one of the servants, I'm shortcutting this, no? One of the servants, binigyan ng 1 coin. At dahil takot na takot siya na mawala yung coin na yun, what he did was, instead na i-invest, instead na i-spend yung coin na yun, tinago niya, binury niya. And dahil tinago niya, binury niya, what was done at the end of the day? Tinake away from him. Nagalit yung master and was taken away from him. So ganun, pagdating dito, loosen up your your purse pockets. Okay? Naintindihan natin gusto niyong pera, pero minsan it's better for us to be open-handed for us to also receive yung blessings. Okay? Yan. Medyo get out of your comfort zone. Hindi pwedeng apak-apak mo lagi yung kaperahan andun sa utak mo, yakap-yakap mo yan. You also have to give kumbaga be open to it.
Lalo pag pero pinag-uusapan. Ayan, si Mamoy in the house. 5.
Ano ba natin? I-feature ba natin sila in a...
Ay, gusto niyo ba picture?
Oo!
Oo. So, commercial muna bago tayo pumunta sa 5 of Pentacles.
Pakilala natin yung mga ano natin.
Pakilala natin yung mga co-leaders natin
Na
na
nandito.
malamang alam nila yung kilala nila itong mga baka nagpaparit kayo ng mga love life nyo dito sa mga yes.
Ano yun natin? So, andito rin yung mga ibang readers.
Ay, pinakamalapit, say hi to Mamoy. Follow, ano bang pronouns? Ano pronouns? May pronouns, baka Oh, you can
naman.
follow him sa Mamoy. Mamoy is the user, M-A-M-O-I.
Ano,
Ayan.
napaisip ako. Ano
Isa-
nga ba yung ano niya?
Isang magaling na spellcrafter. Tenyur na tenyur sa practice. Go nyo yan. Pero wag na kayong pa-love spell, wala kayong mahilan. Ayan. That's Emilia. Hey, Paul. Si, tawag dito, si Stitch or si Zach and si Mark. Ayan. Ay, magaling sa crystals to si Mark.
Hey guys!
Hi, say hi everyone. So, yun lang. Tsaka mga friends of Anam Cara, of course. Asan ba? Ayan, si Ed and Red. Ed and Red. Wow.
Oo nga, parang R lang pinagkaan.
Diba? O, ibalik na natin. Commercial. O, punta na tayo sa 5 of Pentacles.
Galing mo ng pentacle.
Uy, hi Roy B. Andito si Mamoy. Andito ang iyong ina.
Parang dapat yung mga comments
Ay, hello,
pala,
DJ.
tingnan natin yung mga comments. Baka naman may parang wala naman mga comments ba siya?
Hindi, dito meron. Good evening kay DJ Makata.
Naloko naman kasi ako 5 minutes away from my house.
Malapit
oo.
lang?
Lapit lang.
O yun, dala sumunod dito.
5
Ay,
minutes away
may
from my house.
papa-commercial pa ba? Mamaya na yung commercial.
Oo. Ano ina natin?
Five of
Buuna natin ng
Pentacles.
kaliman yung pentacle.
Nakalabas lahat ng ano eh. Nakalabas ang lahat ng cards.
Oo.
True.
Speaking.
Ayan. So, the Five of Pentacles. Now, so again, no, ang 4 talks about stability, good foundations. Okay? Kumbaga parang ano na, steady na. Pero sa 5, ginulo ulit.
Oo.
Okay?
Dilubyo yun.
Ayun, ginulo ulit ang mga bagay-bagay. Dahil dinagdagan, ginulo natin ang mga bagay-bagay. Pero don't worry, this is not the end. No? Kumbaga, it's sort of a conflict that will push you to grow.
Yes.
Okay? Ayan. So, yun ang, i-apply natin yun sa 5. Okay? Conflict. No? Pagdating sa kaperahan. So, dito, ano ba nangyayari? The Lord of Poverty. Okay? Ayan. Kitang-kita nyo naman, pagdating dyan, so you have paghihirap, no? Or, sabi ng ibang readers, mapupunta daw sa Amerika dahil may snow. Charot!
Huwag kayong maniniwala sa mga ganun,
Ayun. Shoutout kay Dragonfly kasi lagi niya kinikwento yung
Oo nga,
ano.
narinig ko nga yung story na yon na kapag nag-tarot reading daw, ang tanong makakapag-abroad po ba, ay anong mangyayari sa akin? Makakapag-abroad ka kasi may snow sa card na to. Pero hindi niya alam.
Hindi, it's out there in the cold.
Yeah.
It's out there in the cold, no? And it's shared hardship. Hindi lang paghihirap ng isang tao, but rather both two people. And you can see that you can see two people right over here, no? But the thing about it is, you can also see in the background a stained glass window. Right? Which could refer to a church. Right? So for me, no, what does this mean? It's a personal choice na maghirap. Choice mo yan na maghirap kayo, no? Okay? Kasi help is actually there. The church is, in a way, no, back in the medieval times, is a place of sanctuary. Even right now naman, it's a space of sanctuary.
Yes.
Pag wala ka mapuntahan, doon ka pupunta. For dito mukhang mainit dun sa loob. Pero what does these two people do? They choose to be out there. Dahil andito ka, love kita, sige samahan kita kahit naghihirap tayo, kahit hirap na tayo, purita mayor na tayo, kahit na andun na sa likod, madali lang naman, magpakainit tayo doon, sige dito na lang
Dito
ako
na
dahil
lang,
loves kita.
oo.
Okay, so it's a choice to be in that space of hardships and conflicts. No?
I remember si Sir Rob, sinasabi nga ni Rob doon, dyan sa story niya, parang binaliwala nila yung tulong na binibigay sa kanila at the background,
Yeah.
diba?
Ano to, ang kay sa Mysterium, no? Although I don't want to preempt anything naman dun sa Sir Bob, it's in a way
In a
oppression.
way, diba?
Ang ano kasi is, kung baga is, naghihirap na nga, bakit ang ganda pa ng church? Eh kung pinantulong na lang sana. Yun yung ng mistake. By the way, by next week, no, will be the start of Intro to Tarot. Okay, so if you want also 6 weeks course in the tarot, go to Mysterium also and parang you can enroll there as well. Okay, let me know if you're up to that. Send me a DM. I'll connect you with the founders. No? Yun. Yun. So pag ito lumabas, sa love reading pa rin ba?
Pwede.
Sa love reading. Anong meaning niya? Choice mo yan.
Choice mo yan. Gusto mo yan di ba?
Diba? Lamig na nga, naghihirap na nga kayo, pero gusto mo yan, pinaninindigan mo, madali lang naman makaalis dyan, pero dahil loves mo, dyan ka muna.
Oo, dyan ka na lang.
Yun. So, yan yung mga
Pwede din siya tied to health also. The
Yeah.
5 of diba? 5 of Pentacles.
Yeah, yun naman all cards can be applied naman sa iba-ibang aspects, no? Even sa business, you can do, naghihirap ka na, parang both of you, your company and yourself are both unhappy with your performance and you're not very as passionate as you are giving before. Pero you choose to be there instead of you getting out of it. So yun yung parang pag-apply to career naman.
Parang may diin yung sinabi mong gano'n.
Hindi, love ko yung yung current company ko. I love you.
Hindi sa company mo, sa Sabi ni Polar Reese, I usually get pentacles. What does this signify po? Career and life.
Really depends on your question.
Yes, depends on your questions. And of course, the cards that you're pulling or yung lumalabas.
Really depends on your question. Of course, multifactorial kasi when you read. You don't have to take it as...
Multifactorial?
Oo naman.
Hindi,
multifaceted, sure.
Yes, gusto ko yun.
May leveling.
True. Ay, titingnan nyo lahat ng bagay. So baka mamaya, tanong mo naman kasi tungkol sa kaperahan. Talagang lumalabas tungkol sa kaperahan. Sometimes if yung humingi ka suggestion, earth energy is to be grounded, no? To be focused in the here and the now.
Yes.
Okay? The earth energies are also kumbaga cold and dry. Okay? So pag tinatanong mo pagdating sa love life, baka malamig at at tuyo.
Yes.
Yung mga ganun.
Ang sabi ni DJ, sun area po yan. This is Alley 2,
Ali to...
Project 6, Quezon City. Nandito si Mama, yun ka na.
At si DJ baka ba yun?
Malapit ka lang dito,
Oo
DJ.
Lapit ka lang dito, wag kang ano.
Uy, hindi, medyo
Correct.
malayo po dun, no?
Malayo ba?
I mean, Quezon City still, pero
Malapit lang.
relatively, compared sa kanya. Ayun.
Punta na tayo sa 6 of... I overthink a lot and I shuffle and get pentacles. If you overthink, don't touch the tarot.
Yeah.
Diba?
Have
Don't
someone
touch
else,
it. Yes, have
read
someone.
for you
Yes, oo.
Okay?
Let your cat read for you.
Let your cat
Talaga.
read for you.
Ayun.
Fair,
May question pa ba?
thank you. Ayan. O bago yan, may isa pang product ang Cosby.
Meron pa?
Yes, there's more.
Oh,
Potato
okay.
chips, hand-cooked.
Ito walang chocolate. So,
Walang chocolate to. This is
kung kung wala kang problema sa, kung ayaw mo na masyari matamis.
Oo, if you're a savory person,
Pwede,
mga
pwede.
ganon, oo, ito. Ang kitang packaging, ayan. Pwede mo lagyan ng labubu. Charis.
Tama na ikaw humawak niyan kasi pag ako humawak niyan, magmumukha maliit.
Sige nga.
Parang wag na. Okay na yan.
Ayan.
O tara na, punta na tayo. Habang umangasab ka dyan, friend.
Uy, masarap. Hand-cooked.
O, tigilan mo na yan. Akin na lang yan. Charot! Talagang pinigilan ko. Tara, let's go to the Six of Pentacles. Okay, so the Six naman, so nagko-conflict. Okay? So nagkaroon ng imbalance. Okay? In the Six, it's harmony na. Okay? This is harmony in balance. Okay? Finding harmony again in the sense of imbalance. No? So you can feel also dun sa 6, no? You can see there na may duality still. Pero it's not the type of duality that you have in the 2s, But in the 6 is, there is an imbalance in the dualities, no? And, but it's okay. Okay lang. You find beauty in that imbalance. Kaya nga, magkakabala, hindi ako magkakabala. Kasi Sephira of Tifereth yan eh, beauty. Right?
Baka marami man nosebleed.
Oo, baka nga
Kasama na ako dun.
yeah, pero it's beauty din kasi ang 6, no?
Yes.
So beauty. So it's tawag nito, yun nga, finding beauty also in the imbalance. As you can feel here. Okay? Can see here. Usually ito, 6 of Pentacles, no, it's many readers would say that help is on the way, may windfall, may tutulong, may magbibigay. Yan ang mga 6 of Pentacles, no? But you can see here the duality that I was talking about. What's that duality? That there is a rich man and there are 2 poor people. Okay? And you can see na because of that duality and imbalance in terms of yung kaperahan, okay, they're finding harmony here by giving something to the poor, to the needy. Okay? So it means yun nga, no, an effort to establish that sense of harmony as well. But a sort of tawag nito, detail sa kanya. You can see the rich man na may hawak na scales. Right? Yeah, may hawak na scale. Okay? Kasi some people would believe, no, some readers would also say that this is kumbaga in an investment. The mindset of the rich man here is nagbibigay ako, dapat I'll be receiving the same amount later on. Kahit na sabihin natin, hindi nyo pa ako mababayaran ngayon, later on, dapat mabayaran ako. Kaya nga may scale. But it's a reminder for you, if ever kunyari ka sa love reading na bigay ka ng bigay, you are very loving, okay? You have so much love to give, si other person, kumbaga parang is not coming from a space of love. Wala kasi siya, ubos na ubos siya ngayon. So manage your expectations. Kumbaga, I understand that you are investing something, you want something in return, pero dahil walang mabibigay yung kabila, hindi yan makakapagbayad sa'yo. Okay? Yun. So yun yung thoughts also dun sa six of Pentacles.
Pero Prof, ngayon ko lang ito napansin, no? Sa tagal ko. 5 lang ang Pentacles dito. Ay, hindi pala. 6 pala. Mali pala. Sorry, kulang ako ng potato chips.
6.
Sorry.
Nasaan yung
Nagulat ako. Oh, yan. Sabi ni DJ, justice in the way na may balet.
Yeah. Yun. It's also, ito tawag nito, it's also a stage card. Probably it's time for me to talk about stage cards.
O, sige.
Siguro, nasa yan, dun sa susunod nating courses, di ba? You have a different course kasi.
Yeah.
I'm going to point something out now. This is called a stage card. Okay, just like in the Two of Pentacles, stage card din yan. What are stage cards? I'm going to zoom in, papakita ko. Okay, look at the back. Small details. At hindi makita, damuho. Okay, may makikita ka dyan at the background, 2 lines. Ayan, may 2 lines. Kita? Ayan, 2 lines. Meaning to say, this scenery is done on a stage. Okay? Parang sa Two of Pentacles. Meron ba? Ayan. So, Two of Pentacles, kita nyo, may 2 linya sa likod. It's the back, that's a background and it meets the pedestal. It's a stage. So, meaning to say, pag ganun yung lumalabas, there are couple of meanings to it. Number 1, it may be an act. It may be something that is, kumbaga parang superficial only. Pinapakita lang.
Performative.
Performative. Ayan.
Mga nagmamatcha. Matcha pala in order. Performative.
Sorry naman, Tito of Manila, hindi ko na masyado ginagagamit yung term. It's performative, yes. It's superficial. Okay? So this act of giving, yung pagiging, tawag nito, very much giving, it could be just an act. No?
Oo, makitang tao.
Yes. Okay? So, probably we're going to talk more about stage cards later on kasi pag nasa stage cards, even yung how the people face, kung nasaan sila dun sa stage, etc., are very important in the interpretation of the cards. No? Pag upstage and center, downstage, and then sila exiting to the left, stage right, all of those are very important
May
in
angle.
interpreting the stage cards. And there are 14 stage cards in the tarot deck. No? So, probably we can talk about that more later on. Okay? Sige. O, yan. Punta na tayo sa 7. 7 of Pentacles. Okay lang ba?
Yes.
Masyado matagal tayo. Tagal
Hindi
natin.
naman. Nag-enjoy naman yata kasi marami pa tayong viewers. So.
In fairness, you're still here. Okay, so let's go to the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so the Seven of Pentacles naman is more of re-evaluation of things. Very reflective yung nature niya, no? Ng sevens. Yan. So you can see here that someone has, kumbaga, a farmer, probably, no? A farmer, ayan, a farmer waiting for the crops or the fruits nung kanyang, kung ano mang ano yan. Sana may ganyan talagang puno na namumunga ng pera.
Oo nga eh.
Para mababaran niyo yung nanay niyo na hindi tumutubo sa puno ang pera.
Ma, meron kaya ito?
O yun, no, nasa Seven of Pentacles.
You're wrong!
Tapos,
Ito yan!
Tingnan mo nakaka-TikTok mo, anak. Ayan, so yan yung, ayan. So going back to Seven of Pentacles now. So in the Seven of Pentacles, you can see here a farmer contemplating and looking at yung fruits, no, na, doon sa, ano ba ito? Shrub? Hindi ko alam. Basta doon sa halaman niya. Ayun na lang, doon sa halamanan niya. Okay? And patiently waiting for it. So it's patience na. Many would say this is patience. Okay? But you can also see na hindi pa niya, kumbaga, tawag nito, binubunot. Kasi pag binunot niya yan, na, kumbaga, parang nilip mo na agad ang mga bagay-bagay na hindi pa hinog, mapakulaan.
Bitter.
Diba? So, hintahin nyo.
Matatanong sa love life na ha, o pag yan ang lumabas.
Huwag niyong pilit, huwag niyo
Huwag nyo lang pilitin!
Later na, okay? Para matamis-tamis.
Oo.
Okay? Hindi yung hinog sa pilit, di ba? Dahil, ano yan? Yung dinaan mo sa dahas.
Dinaan sa das.
Ay, di ba? Pulis ang abot mo sa susunod yan. So, hintayin nyo. Anyway, pagdating naman sa Seven of Pentacles, so as compared to the Three of Wands,
Yes.
that we're going to talk about later on, towards the end na yan ng ano,
Ng session.
Yes, ng kanilang process, no. So, pag itong lumabas, it's a reminder that you have planted the right seeds, waited the time, watered the plant, nurtured it, and it's growing very well. Okay? There may be a sense of you really thinking about, was this process or project or activity worth investing? But that's okay. Okay? Know that it's toward, the light can be seen at the end of the tunnel. Andyan na. Hey. May mamoy.
Tawad-tawad.
Ayun. So, yun yung ano. Seven of Pentacles.
Nagkapaan na lang.
The light is there.
Andiyan na ba?
Nandyan lang yan.
Okay. So, 8. Okay. The 8s naman talks about movement. Okay? Baka awayin ako ng iba na bakit sa 8 of Swords, hindi naman nag-move. Hindi na mag-move, nakatrap siya. Hindi, may movement pa din. Tungkol sa movement. Pero 8 talks about movements. Okay? Energies. The 8 of Pentacles talks about honing skills. Okay? Mastery. Okay? And often, no, if you're trying to master something, you're going to do it again and again and again until you perfect it. So it also talks about being committed. Okay? Committed sa lifelong learning, committed to being a better person and doing better. That's the 8 of Pentacles. And also being proud of how long you have, how long or how far you have gotten into life. Okay? Showing off the pentacles that you have done again and again and again. Okay? You can see here a master's craftsman. So yan ang 8 of Pentacles. Yan. Okay? So pag yan, mga lumabas, sinasuggest dun sa ano mo, sa love life nyo, lagi kayo nag-aaway.
Ikakasal na po ba kami kahit lagi po kami nag-aaway?
Yan.
Doon, mga tanong nyo, di ba?
Yan. So pag ganun, lagi yung pag-aaway, it further strengthens your
So kailangan nyo po
relationship.
mag-away, ganun na
Okay?
ganun.
If you are really committed dun sa relationship nyo, you're going to treat this as something that's going to make you better. Okay? And perfect that skill ng pakipag-away. Charot.
Perfect na siya. Yung pala yun.
Para magaling ka na makipag-away. Pagdating sa opisina, madali ka naman bara.
Punta tayo sa 9 of Pentacles.
Ayan.
This is my Beyonce card.
Beyonce card.
Yeah.
Strong, independent woman.
Yes.
Diba? Yan. So, this is, the 9 is actually something very good kasi it's nearing the completion of something, the peak of something, near, kumbaga parang the 10 is to, tawag nito,
Tapos?
pa-end na eh. This one is kumbaga, muntik na tayo ma-restrict friend.
Oo nga, kaya nga gumana. Parang papunta siya doon sa route na yun.
Muntik na tayo ma-restrict.
Malapit ka na sa rurok ng tagumpay.
Ayun.
Yun.
Yan na. So kasi sa kaperahan, it's peak ng dami ng pera.
Oo.
Okay? Pero hindi. Pagdating later sa Ten of Pentacles, yung iba syempre mas gusto ng
Mas
Ten of
big yung
Pentacles.
kasi generational wealth.
Wealth yun eh, di ba? True. Pero this one is wealth that can be enjoyed with oneself.
Yes. Sabi ni DJ Makata, highlight ng life.
Ano yung highlight ng life? Ito ang highlight ng
Oo,
life.
ito na.
Ayan. So, it's a strong, independent woman. It's, kumbaga, pag yan tinatanong nila, kailan ba ako magkakaroon ng boyfriend? Tapos ganyan. Girl, you're placed in that position because it's time for you to also enjoy the fruits of your labor. Mag-self-care ka. At it's time for you na hindi mo na paggastusan yung boyfriend mo, paggastusan someone else, and really enjoy it. No? Yan ang nine of Pentacles. It's also a card of discipline. Okay? Na kaya ganyan yung tawag nito, ganyan yung kayamanan mo. You can see there, hawak-hawak ng hawak-hawak ni Ateng, yung kanyang perot.
Ay, parrot ba yan?
Falcon.
Falcon pala.
A falcon. Okay? Na tinrain niya. Okay? So, it's also a card of discipline and also going back home. Okay? And later on, pagdating sa Cups, maraming doon going back home. Ayan.
Abangan niya yung cups.
So, Nine of Pentacles, it's abundance. No? Abundance, and it's kaperahan that you will enjoy for yourself. As compared doon sa Ten of Pentacles. Kasi ang Ten of Pentacles,
Ito na, may final will and testament ka na dito.
friend, huwag na mo.
Charing. Generational
Pero oo,
wealth.
yun.
Generational wealth kasi.
Ayan. So that's the Ten of Pentacles. So sabi ng iba, umuulan daw ng kaperahan. Ayan, you can see there a family in the background, no? Okay, and a very strong foundation.
Legacy,
So,
sabi
yes.
ni DJ, tama.
Yeah, so it's a type of kaperahan na, sa dami, tawag nito, it's going to transcend also generations.
Clean money hindi galing
Yes.
sa Falcon Show. Charing.
Ayun. Ang din sa Ten of Pentacles, no, it has this sense of manifestation. Okay? Yan. Tinatanong kung ako ba ay tao damuho. Kaya lang.
Baka mamaya ma-stop na naman yun.
Ayun.
Ay, ba?
Kaya lang. Tinatanong, ayan.
Yan.
Go, push. Ayan. So, lang, siguro very minor lang, no? Kasi here you can see the pentacles. Hindi lang siya basta-basta umuulan, eh. If you're going to look at the shape of the pentacles, it's shaped as the Kabbalistic tree of life. Okay? Which is a connection between, I'm going to dumb it down, connection between what is divine to the material world. So, ibig sabihin, what was up there, no? It's a conduit. It's a channel of manifestation from what is divine into the material world. So, therefore, has something to do with something that you have been thinking and manifested into the physical world. Okay? So, ito yung mga dati pinapangarap mo, okay, matutupad mo. Dati tinitingnan mo lang yung bahay ng kapitbahay. Sila merong may cable, may TV. Dati ka lang sa bintana nila. Nakikita
Grabe naman yun. Sobrang lang parang sa TV.
Di ba nanonood kang gano'n? Tapos sasaraduhan ka ng bintana.
Oo.
Yun. Pagdating sa ganito, hindi mo na kailangan makinood. May cable ka na, may sariling channel
So
ka pa.
the person that you have been dreaming about, eto na, the person. The person.
But
Yun, oo. The version of yourself pala.
Yeah.
That you've been dreaming
And
about.
the good thing about it is it's 10. No? Although it's 10, it's the end of something. If you're going to look at it numerologically, if you're going to further reduce 10, 1 plus 0, it's also the beginning of something. Okay? Yes, it's the end of something, but it's also an opportunity for something also. No?
Yes.
Pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay,
Bongga.
yun. So yun po ang ating pentak. Ay, mag-ano ba tayo? Yung court cards. Siguro very quick nung court
Very
cards
quick
natin.
lang.
Okay. Sige. So let's start with the page of pentacles. The earth of earth. Kasi 'di ba ang pages, ang elemental attribution niya is it's earth. And the The Page of Pentacles, Pentacles is Earth. Kaya nga Earth of Earth ang tawag natin siya. Okay? It's someone who's very grounded. Very pure yung energy of ground niya, Earth of Earth nga, no? So,
Someone
someone...
Gary, with your energy.
Pure.
Bongga.
Pero hindi, ito grounded eh.
Grounded nga.
Earth energy eh, di ba? Someone who's very observant and kumbaga, kita niya, uses all the senses to be, makikita nila the objectivity of all things. So you can see here someone who's observing the pentacle. And because of yung observant energy niya, kung makikita mo yung sa likod, very verdant. Kumbaga parang very green. As compared, makakompare niya later with the Page of Wands. Na very focused din, very observant dun sa wands niya, pero yung nangyayari dun sa likod niya, nanunuyo na. Ito, because of their groundedness, and their observation, their focus, their loyalty doon sa sa pentacle, good things are happening in the background. Okay? Ito yung focus siya doon sa career niya, sa business niya, at gumaganda yung mga nasa paligid, yung family, yung love life, etc. etc.
So parang safe to say, it's the beauty of minding your own business.
True.
And scratching your own galis.
True.
Grabe naman. Grabe naman.
Ayun. Pero other things about it is because the pages are, kumbaga, these are also messengers. So probably this is parang a message regarding money, about anything that is material coming in, no? Okay? It could also refer to people. So this is a young person who is very much grounded, no? Okay? Very much grounded, no? And very observant in the objective world also. So yan yung mga pages. That's why we have a separate discussion pagdating sa portals. Kasi it's very layered yung niya, yung meanings niya. It could be a lot of things. It could be a situation, it could be a person, it could be a mindset, it could be a lot of things. Okay? So let's go with the Knight of Pentacles. Okay? So in the Knight of Pentacles, you can see here, ang Knights is someone in pursuit of, in search of, okay, and a quest of, yan ang mga, Knight, no? Kaya lagi silang nakakabayo. Okay? Pero sa lahat ng mga kabalyero, sila yung hindi masyadong gumagalaw. Kaya sabi nga ni Miss Minji May kanina, ito yung mabagal. Okay? Pero pagdating sa kaperahan, ito yung pag sinabi niya may Knight of Pentacles, take things slow, slow but sure. Okay? Yan yung mga pagdating sa kaperahan, ito yung steady inflow of money, but sigurado ka well-founded. Yung well-founded yung situation. Yan. So, pagtao to, this is a young adult, no? Usually a male. Okay? This is the fire of earth. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Air of earth. I was using another,
So kapag sa love life yan, parang magandang sign.
Slow but sure, no? Pag ganyan yung suggestion, huwag mong madali.
Slow but steady.
Slow and steady, di ba? I-build natin yung foundations ng natin, ng love life natin. Okay? Pwede nga, pera muna. Sasabay dun sa pera yung yung love life natin.
Joke na.
Ayan. So, punta na tayo sa Queen of Pentacles. Ayan. Rabbit.
Oo.
Si Rabbit. Ayan, si Rabbit.
Ito kamukha niya si Pikachu.
Ayan. Kasi itong
Kamukha ni
Pokemon card
Pikachu.
to.
Kung ano?
No, kamukha ni Pikachu.
Patingin.
Ayan o!
Ay, oo nga. Bakit sa akin hindi?
Si Stitch ba yan?
Sa akin hindi. Sa akin parang si Raichu. Charot.
Ibang to eh.
Nakaano na lang
Version na Rider.
Thunderstone. Ayan. Anyway, so the Queen of Pentacles. So again, the Queens, together with the Kings, are mature energies na yan. Okay? But as compared to the Kings, the Queens are more passive. Okay? More passive as compared to the more active energies of the Kings. Okay? So this is someone who handles money very well, particularly saving. Kasi pagdating sa pera, pag passive, more on savings ang Okay? Very motherly yung energy also, di ba? May mga hawak na kapera pagdating sa bahay would be ng mommy, no? Yung mga very CPA energy. At dahil doon, very curated yung garden. Kumbaga parang inalagaan maigi yung garden as compared to the King of Pentacles. Sa King of Pentacles, dahil very active yung energies din, tawag nito, ang daming kaperahan. Right? Umaano lang, pero hindi well curated, no? Pero very green, very fertile, very verdant, ang daming mga grapes, ang daming ubas na dapat kainin sa ilalim ng lamesa pag New Year para magkaroon ng
Jowa!
Pero hindi ako nagkaroon ng ubas Dahil baka pagalitan ni Mother, andun sa fertility plate, prosperity bowl. Fertility ma, sorry naman, alam ko nanonood ka, at hindi mo na pangarap na magkaroon ng gusto pang, joke lang. Ayan. So the King of Pentacles, they would say this is a very satisfied, okay? You can see there at the King, okay? Very active yung energies nila. Ito yung mga nakapag-invest na at yung tawag nito, dumadami ng naturally yung kaperahan din nila. And also, they're very much satisfied, one of the most satisfied and happy cards in the tarot deck because you can see there someone who is kumbaga self-assured already na, sige, dumadaming andyan, pero I have my pentacles right here and I'm stroking in. At baka ma-restrict na naman ako sa stroke.
Oo nga, wag tayo masyado. Nanonood si Ma'am.
Ayan, hinihimas-himas niya ang kanyang pentakulo.
Oo.
Okay? Ayan. O, tama na.
Nanonood si Ma'am. Wag masyado na.
Ma, pagpasensyaan mo na, pauwi mo pa rin po ako next week. Ayun. So, yun ang ating suit of pentacles. At mukhang baka kulangin tayo sa time, no? Probably we can go na sa
Oo.
sa
Punta
cups.
na tayo sa, ang pangalan nito? Cups. Ayan. Hanapin ko lang yung cups.
Ako, ano bang cup? Baka ma-restrict na naman.
World Cup. Tapos na po ba minor arcana kay RN? Hindi pa naman. Ano lang,
Pursuit
kakatapos
pa
lang
lang.
pursuit pa lang naman. So, pwede pa namang humabol. And if you've missed the early, yung mga first episode, tsaka yung mga unang parts nitong discussion, it's uploaded sa aming YT channel. Same username sa Anang Cara. Ayan, like and subscribe. Hindi ako makapaniwalang sasabihin ko yan.
Diba ako? Kaya lang inom muna ako.
Oo. Di mo ba tatanungin kung anong iniinom ko? Para
Ano ba iniinom mo? Ano ba iniinom mo?
Strawberry matcha. Ayan, from sa Cosby din.
At,
Kaya lang wala na yung strawberry hinalo ko na. So, yes.
at ito maano yung kape niya, tawag nito. I like it. Gising ako pero I'm not palpitating, no? At hindi ako nagre-reflux in fairness. Okay? Kaya it's, what I'm having is berry Baguio, no? This is berry Baguio. May strawberry siya sa ilalim. Wala. Wala. Ininom ko na. Pero meron siya kanina. Ayan. Sorry naman. Pero it's so good, no? At ito, lalantakan natin dito. So, thank you again, Cosby. Thank you also again dun sa staff natin, no?
Yes. Ay, isa na lang. Ay, dalawa.
Tara na. Ace of Cups na tayo. Balikan na natin. Mabilis na to kasi alam na natin from Ace to the Tens, di ba?
Yes.
So again, ando na tayo sa Ace. Ang Ace,
Ang Ace ay panimula.
panimula. Start, beginning, and
Opportunity.
ay, mas gusto natin, syempre, opportunity. At dito, mas compare mo dun sa Pentacles, no? Ang Pentacles kasi wala nung mga parang
Hello,
droplets
Kuya
na
Oni.
yan. Hi, Sir Oni! Ayan, yan ang idol.
Idol
ko
talaga yan. O
Yan,
corner.
Tinuruan niya ako kanina ng ilang spreads and ilang methods.
Hello, Kuya
So,
Oni.
yan. Si Sir Oni, one of these trusted readers din. Been in the business and the craft for 30 years.
Yes.
Yeah. So, let's go na dun sa Ace of Cups. Okay. So, Aces talks about start, something new, beginning, and opportunities. And in particular, Pentacles din dito mapapansin. Yun lang yung suit na walang mga yods. What are yods? Yods yung mga maliliit na mga droplets dyan. Parang droplets. If we're going to look at it, okay, it's common, yung mga yods na yun, makikita mo rin siya dun sa other aces except the Ace of Pentacles. Makikita mo rin yan sa Tower card, okay, sa Moon card, and other cards. Now, what are yods? Yods, actually, yod is the first letter of the tetragrammaton.
Ano na baka mga...
Sorry, na naman. The first letter of the divine name of God, Yahweh. Okay? And therefore, because it's the first letter, it refers to a seed. Okay? Yun. So, kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan niya na these are seeds. Kaya nga gusto kong sabihin na these are opportunities. Ang seed, hindi yan tutubo mag-isa. Kailangan, itanim mo yan. Okay? So, yun ang sa Ace of Cups. These are opportunities for emotions, opportunities, beginning of new emotions, relationships, and feelings. Okay? So, baka may mag-offer ng tawag nito? Offer ng bagong emosyon sa inyo. This is the emotions water, pure energy of water. No? So, ano ba yung mga water na astrological signs? So, you have Cancer,
Ano pa ba?
Scorpio, and Pisces. Ayun. So, fixed, ano pala, cardinal, fixed, and then mutable. Okay, and kung you're into astrology, by the way, no, since tapos na pala tayo dun sa, no, and we're going to talk about this more later on, yung, kunyari dun sa kanina, Pentacles, yung cards 2 to 4 is the cardinal sign of that suit. So, for example, kanina sa Pentacles, ano ang cardinal na ano? Cardinal ng Earth. It's Capricorn.
Capricorn.
So, Capricorn yung yung first three. Okay? Tapos Taurus is the fixed, di ba? So, from card 5 to card 7. And then the last 3 is the mutable.
Yung per decans.
Yes.
3 cards per... Ay, 3
Oh,
cards?
3.
3 cards
Kasi
per
ace
decan,
is
diba?
yung ace is all 3. Okay? Pure ano siya. Parang ito, pag water, it's Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Any of the 3. Tapos dun sa first 3, dun sa 2 of Cups, that's Cancer. That's actually Venus in Cancer. And so, et cetera, later on. Anyway, hindi kasi ako masyado sa astro, pero baka mamaya yung iba sa inyo would really like astrological correspondence. Probably
Pero
we can talk
malay mo
about
may
that later.
workshop si Anam Caro sa Astro.
Pwede.
Dami tayo pala astrologer.
Ito alam mo ba ako, kaya ko lang, ang alam ko lang sa astro would be the tarot. Kaya ko lang nalaman yung pagkasunod-sunod ng tawag nito, yung zodiac signs dahil sa major arcana.
Okay.
Dun, from Aries to
Yes,
card number 4, card number 5. Doon ko lang siya na ano. Pero anyway, ayan. So,
Lumalalim
water
na tayo.
signs.
Doon
Water
tayo beginner.
signs. Yun sa kanya. Okay, so what else, no? Ang totoong about emotions, yung water yan. So, the cups actually is just a vessel. Now, you can see here, tawag nito, a cup na parang nahawak-hawak. The question is, just to provoke thought din with the viewers and also to you, how do you think, what is happening here? Inoffer ba yung cup? Kasi ako, when I got this, it's not like that. What I got is, yung cup came from below, doon sa ilalim ng tubig, and it was surfaced pa akyat. So it was not offered na, kunya, binigay na ganun. Kaya ganun yung mga streams, pababa, no? And the cup is overflowing. So this could be something emerging from emotions. Kaya when I started learning tarot, yun yung ano ko sa kanya. There could be something that emerges from your emotions. Yun yung ano ko sa kanya. Tawag nito. By the way, it's also could be fertility, no? Or conception. Kasi lalo na kung nanood kayo ng Da Vinci Code, yung cup nga daw is the uterus.
Ano yung tawag nito?
Basta yun.
Basta yun.
So, yan, uterus siya. And if you are Catholic, you can see there.
The Holy Grail?
Yeah, yung ano nga actually, so sabi nila, this is, the Suit of Cups is the search for the Holy Grail. Okay? Yan. Kaya it talks also about spirituality journey. Yun ang Suit of Cups. No? So, it's also conception because the wafer there is kumbaga the host. It's the body coming in doon sa uterus, which is yung tawag nito yung cup. Okay? So, it's going into that. Anyway, masyado na tayo
Masyado
pumunta
na
sa
tayo pa, baka ma-restrict pa tayo.
Basta yan na yun. Opportunities, anything new about the cups.
Two of Cups.
Punta na tayo sa Two of Cups.
Ito maganda. Ay, excited. Gusto ko, bilis.
Kaya na.
Tumataas ang buwan.
Yan, sa Two of Cups. Alam mo, pag love reading, compared sa lovers, I want this more.
Yeah, because kita nyo naman.
Yan.
Nasa illustration pa lang.
Kasi in the Two of Cups, although sabihin natin na yun nga, tawag nito, there may be stagnance also. No? But the Two of Cups talks about balance in terms of, it's a dynamic balance. Meaning to say, the two people are working actively to balance things. Instead of, okay lang, balance lahat ng bagay. So you can also see here a person giving their cup and also a person receiving a cup.
Ikaw yung pinakamalayo.
Saan?
Kasi
Oo.
Ayun. So, yun. Pagdating sa pag-ibig,
Kasal.
kailangan give and take, no? And you have to be very open dun sa anong yun, doon sa energies na rin that you also give and you also take doon sa relationships.
Filling each other's cups.
Yes. Yan. Kaya balance. And you can see there the kadocious. No? At hindi ko na ano
Ano po yung kadosyo?
Yeah. Huh? Ayan, the Caduceus is actually the staff right over there. It's the staff of Hermes or Mercury. Okay, who is the god of business, no? Commerce, messenger as well.
Ito.
Yeah, yan Caduceus.
Parang Mercury din.
Yeah. Pero hindi siya Mercury pero this is Venus and Cancer.
Loka ako sa kadosyo.
Yan, Caduceus. Actually, may pangalan pa nga yung dalawang serpents niyan eh.
Huwag mo ng pangalan.
Si Panggala at si Ida.
Ay, ang taray.
Pero huwag na tayo pumunta dun
Huwag
sa
na
ano
tayo
yun.
pumunta
Si Og
doon.
at si Od. Si Yin at si Yang. Yun. Yung pangalan ng dalawang serpents.
okay.
Pero huwag na natin ano. So, it's definitely applicable also sa business. No? Kasi it also talks about good partnerships pagdating sa business. Maganda yung transaction
Community.
contracts. Yeah. Yun, so maganda. Very good energies pagdating dito, no? But pag lumabas siya as something negative, pag tinanong tinatanong yun negative about it, take note, it's a stage card. Okay? So it may be for show.
Ay,
Okay? And also it's number 2. So anything that's balanced is kumbaga parang okay lang, status quo.
ay, ako may line siya.
Yeah, that's a line. So anything that's balanced, kunyari tawag nito love life, matagal long-term relationship, dahil balance pa din, pag tinanong magkakaroon ba ng ng proposal soon, balance everything still. It's working naman. Okay? Yun ang problema. Andyan. Balance yung mga bagay.
Sabi ni RN, Leo is...
May nag-ask.
Si RN.
RN.
Paano daw malalaman yung zodiac?
O yun.
Sa
Grabe, ang lamig ng boses
Saan?
si Mamoy, no?
True.
Parang wedding ano yun, no? Happy ending ba? Ay, sorry.
Yung zodiac for each card. I think we talked about that earlier, no? So the suits talks about the elements. Okay? The suits talks about the elements. For example, cups is water.
Water sign.
Yeah, water sign. The aces would be yung tawag nito. The ace would be yung any of the three na water. And then the first three would be tawag nito. The first three would be cardinal. The first three tuloy. From card 2 to card 4 is cardinal. Card 5 to card 7 is yung fixed. And then card 8, 9, and 10 would be the mutable. Okay? Now pagdating sa major arcana, ibang usapan na. Okay? Ibang usapan na. Pero yung pagkasunod-sunod sunod-sunod rin siya. If you're familiar with the astrological symbol, start with the Emperor and Emperor Aries. Tapos Taurus pagdating sa Hierophant. Pagdating sa Lovers, you have Gemini. Pagdating sa Chariot, you have Cancer. Okay? Kaya lang titigil lang siya pagdating sa card 8, which is Leo, and card 11, which is Libra. Magkabaligtad. Kaya doon sa pre-golden dawn, magkabaligtad yung dalawang at masyado na naman malalim ang aking discuss.
Oo. So, kailangan pigilan ng pasma ng bibig.
Ayun. So,
Excited.
yun yung pagkasunod-sunod. Also, yung world card doon, Jupiter. Kaya wag na natin anuhin yun.
Wag muna.
Later on na yun.
Sunod, the Three of Cups.
Three of Cups. Okay? So, Three of Cups is growth. No? And pagdating dito, everything is this is celebration. So, madaling sabi. Right? You can see here three persons. One is wearing white for purity. Okay? Your intentions, you also have red. A person wearing red, which talks about passion in the celebration. And in other decks, dito kasi hindi masyado kita, the third one is in yellow. Joy, fulfillment, and hope. Okay? So it's a celebration of all three. Okay? And this is a celebration that is external. I'm really sorry to say that. As compared to the Four of Wands, later on we're going to discuss. This is celebration because things are going on well in the surroundings. Makikita niyo, di ba, may gourd dyan, merong pumpkin, right? And kumbaga parang healthy yung harvest. Ang ganda ng nangyayari sa paligid.
Pumpkin.
It's worth celebrating. Yun. So it's something external, no? Okay? Kaya wag agad na pag lumabas to sa reading, may third party agad.
Hindi agad yun.
Okay? Hindi agad-agad. You have
Nakipag-inuman lang daw.
Oo. Tumagay ka na.
Tumagay lang. Hindi naman third party. Tumagay lang.
Ayan. So, yun. Hindi pala ako masyado kita dito sa anong karakter.
Oo nga,
Ayun. Ayan. So, yun si ano, no, si three of Cups. No? It's also spiritual celebrations and connections. These are good friendships nga. Okay? Just be careful kasi sometimes ito yung mga tawag nito, masyado ka nagsa-celebrate in one aspect of your life, other things are kumbaga parang nabubuo. Okay?
Oo nga, di ba parang sa, ayan o. Masaya ka daw masyado.
Ayun. So, ano lang din, healthy balance of everything and everything. Okay? Doon na tayo sa Four of Cups. Sorry, binibilisan na natin. Yan. Yan. So, the Four of Cups is a card of boredom, apathy. Yan. Boredom, apathy, dissatisfaction. Yan. Okay? Because you can see here a person looking at their current cups, no? And kumbaga, hindi na niya nakikita yung new cup that is being offered. It's very much reminiscent with the tawag nito, the Ace of Cups. Di ba parang ganyan nangyayari? Pero iba yung pagkahawak. Di ba? Parang kaya nga sabi ko, di ba pagkaintindi ko na sa Ace of Cups? Kasi pag ganun yung sa Ace of Cups, this one is something being given. Di ba? So this is something, an opportunity is being offered. But it's because you are too much focused with the here and the now, what you have, with the here and the now, what you have right now, you're getting bored, hindi mo na napapansin.
Okay? Ayan o, ayaw mo pa.
Yan.
Oh.
Yan. Actually, yun yung tawag ng intrigue because you're too grounded down with the here and the now. You do not see those that is up there in the sky being offered to you. Okay? So, not seeing that source of inspiration and everything. No? It's apathy. Bakit siya number 4? Sabi mo, Charles, ang 4 is, di ba, siya, tawag nito structure, foundations, ganun naman, di ba? When you do things again and again, di ba, pag well-founded ka na sa career mo, naging parang you're just going through the days na lang. Parang araw-araw, dahil maganda na yung structure mo, you're doing things again and again and again, gising ka, trabaho, tulog, gising, trabaho, tulog, nagkakaroon na ng dissatisfaction and tawag nito boredom sa paggawa.
Stagnancy.
Okay? Pero maganda yung well-structured, maganda yung foundations, pero yun, may stagnancy.
Walang ganap. Walang masyadong ganap.
Yun. Okay?
5 of Cups.
Okay. So, doon sa 5 of Cups. Okay. So, the 5 of Cups, yan. So, what's the 5 of Cups? The 5 of Cups talks about grieving. Okay? Because something important was lost naman din. Actually, ito sinasabi ko, no, valid. It's something that is valid, no? Because you have lost something that was important. There were spilled cups, actually. Kung mapapansin nyo, 2 of the cups is wine, because of tubig. Okay, wine, and the other cup is water. So, that's for later na, syempre. Mga Easter eggs natin yan.
Yes.
Bakit yung dalawang cups is quote-unquote wine and one of the cup is water. Okay, so later on natin discuss yung mga mas malalim na gano'n. Also, you can see there at the back would be 2 cups that are empty. Kasi, kumbaga, there are opportunities there at your back. Only that you will only feel or see after you have grieved and turned your head from what you have lost. Okay? So, yun yung thoughts dito sa 5 of Cups, no? Kaya sometimes also ito yung card of negative thinking, pessimism, because you're too much looking at the spilled milk.
Victim mentality.
Pwede, no? Okay? Pero pag ganito, no, sinasabi ko, what you're feeling right now, pag sa prayer, what you're feeling right now is valid. Okay? Pero mga bagay na yan, mga pinagdadaanan, dinadaanan lang at hindi tinatambay. Kasi sayang yung
Dito kasi parang tumambay siya.
Yes.
Tumambay siya dito eh.
Diyan na siya. Okay? Supposedly, you can fill the cup with the river behind. Okay? Another thing about it is, you can see that there's a river, di ba? The river, water yan, emotions. So, if you would look at the card, emotions, what you're feeling right now is separating you from what's on the other side. What's on the other side? You can see a castle, and castle talks about success. So, what you're feeling right now is separating you from true success. Anyway, yun. And a lot more symbologies later on.
Yes.
So, abangan.
Abangan ang mga susunod. O, dito na tayo sa 6 of Cups.
Okay, so 6 of Cups. Ito, syempre mahilig tayo sa mga Easter eggs. So, may Easter eggs tayo sa 5, sa 6. Like, hanapan natin ng Easter egg. How many people are here?
Saan?
Hindi, sa ano? Sa Six of Cups.
Akala ko here.
Hindi, dito sa Six of Cups.
Mag-head count ako.
Ilang tao?
Dalawa.
Tatlo.
Saan?
Wala. Anyo, bakit sa'yo wala?
Wala.
Ay, hindi, meron. Andyan eh.
Ay, ito, nandito.
Ayun siya sa
Saan?
likod. Okay? You have there someone at the back. Okay? So, the Six of Cups kasi talks bakit?
Wow. So, ilan na tao dito? Bibilangin ko sa atin.
Sa ano? Dito sa costume.
Dito sa
Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ayun. So, there's 3, no? But in the foreground, syempre yun yung mas importante. Okay?
Yeah.
So, in the foreground, you can see 2 children there. Actually, some would say that the other one is the mother, nanay doon. At a child that has already grown, okay, going back to their home. Okay, so this is someone who is this card talks about nostalgia, good memories, okay, and going back to your own home. Okay?
Oo.
Yeah. So yan yung ano, and also
Kaya
putting
gusto
your
maakyat dito.
yes.
Oh.
And some others would see this as someone who's putting their guards down. Okay? For someone returning in the past.
Yeah.
Okay? Kaya pag yung mga love readings to, nagbabalik si ganyan, anong kailangan kong gawin? Put your guards down. Kasi guard daw, some would say this is a guard of the manor. And because they recognize this person as a friend, they umalis na siya at hinayaan niya. That's one of the stories.
Yun pala yun.
Oo, one of the, well, I would call it a theory about yun. So,
Pero how true? Ay, sorry for interrupting.
Go.
Sabihin ko ba? Kasi parang may nag-reading sa akin before. Sabi niya, lumabas yung Six of Cups. Ang sabi niya, something that will be passed on to you. Or it could be inheritance.
Pwede.
Could it be?
pwede.
Pero ba't wala pa ako natatang?
Pwede.
Yung pala yun.
Ang tanong, ano yung inheritance? Kasi hindi siya pentakel. Baka
oo.
feelings.
Oo, pwedeng gano'n.
Diba? Anong pinamana sa'yo
Generation
na
ng
feeling?
trauma. Yung pala yun.
Anong pinamana sa'yo?
Generational trauma.
Hindi nga lang pentakel. At
So,
least may pinamana.
something that will be, yun lang ang sabi sa akin nung when I had a reading. Oy, si DJ na baka gift. Pwede din ba gift?
Pwede. Okay? Ayun.
The gift of love. Generational trauma pa.
Buisit. Okay. So,
Seven.
yeah. Seven of Cups.
Seven of
Parang
Cups.
sila na may no? May Easter egg. Sige, ito may Easter egg din ako.
Ayun.
Ayan, saya tayo sa Easter egg. Okay. Mahilig tayo sa eggs, no?
Oo, wala pang
Yun
Pasko
tayo,
ng pagkabuhay eh.
Ayan.
May Easter egg.
O, anong Easter egg dyan?
Ano yun?
Ayan. So this card, the Seven of, so kanina sabi natin, this is a card of contemplation, a card of, what do you call this, reevaluation of things. No? So the Seven of Cups talks about daydreaming, illusions, okay, and distractions. A lot of options. Options that initially looks good, kasi they are golden cups eh, ang ganda nila. Pero if you're going to look at it more objectively, it's actually something that, sarap ng kain natin, friend ah. Kain-kain lang tayo. Mamaya, subuan mo ako, friend ah. Ayun. Pero if you're going to look at it objectively, some of it, makikita mo, parang not good, di ba? Okay? It's also a card that talks about, don't look at the distractions. What's your main goal? Kasi ang makikita mo dito, some would say that the main one in the middle is, for those Catholic, no, it's Jesus Christ, a resurrected Christ.
The
nga
whole,
daw.
di ba ano? Oh,
Yan.
ayan to.
Yan, resurrected crown, shrouded nga daw siya. Okay? So, because the ultimate destiny of people daw is to be in unity with our divine, of our Creator. Because I'm Catholic, no? But it could be some, kumbaga, yan yung natin, main goal. But the other things that are being offered to us, no, imaginaries or illusions are actually something bad. Anong mga examples na yan? Okay? Ayan, may mga ahas. Okay? Sabi nila,
Pwede yung
di ba? Si Judas daw yan. Na malapit kay Jesus. Pero, tinrider siya. So, mga fake friends.
Oo, mga
Yan, yung mga malalapit sa'yo, minsan sila pa yung mga those are illusions. Di ba?
Parang may di yun.
Di ba? Illusions yan. Okay, ano pa? O, yung dragon dun sa baba. If you look at the tongue of the dragon is forked. Kumbaga, sinungaling. Yan. Mga sinungaling na maumbaw.
May DN talaga sa prom.
Ito na si ang tawag nito si Easter egg. O yan. Yung yan,
It's parang olive brand.
yeah, it's an olive wreath, no? Or
Or
laurel.
pala. Hi,
Laurel.
Linky!
Hi, Linky. So pag ikaw sinuotan ka ng binigyan ka ng olive branch or ng laurel wreath, talks about success.
Yeah.
But at the price of what? Look at the cup. Oy, may bungo.
Ba't dito wala?
Ay, ewan ko dyan, pero ayun.
Ay.
Oh. May bungo at the price of something else.
Yes.
Kaya they sacrifice something else for fame.
So
Right?
we give.
Yes. So, and the others as well. No? So, the beautiful face right over there talks about vanity, maganda yung itsura, pero
Pangit.
galit siya raw. Okay? Yung mga fantasies natin na high up in the sky yung yung tawag nito, yung castle, and also mga treasures na hindi mo alam kung fake naman. Diba? So, all of these are illusions. So, it talks about you, kumbaga, reevaluating things and what do you want in life? Ano ba talagang ultimate destiny mo? Siguraduhin mo lahat ng ginagawa mo towards that. That ultimate destiny that you wanted. Long-term thinking, kumbaga.
Okay.
Realign things. Okay?
Okay, aso na ba? 8 of
Oh,
Cups.
Eight of
Nako,
Cups.
ito na.
Ayan.
Dapat pa bang magstay ako sa relationship? And you got this.
So gusto ko talaga yung golden dawn yung tawag nito, yung pangalan niya. The Lord of Abandoned Success.
Abandoned success.
Abandoned success. So you can see here someone who's passionate because red cloak siya. No? Okay? Someone who's passionate, leaving behind something that they like. Kaya nga abandoned success. No? Someone they are emotionally attached to. Okay? But if you're going to look at it objectively, may kulang pa. Kaya nga arrange na ganyan yung cups, no? It's arranged na yes, it's fulfilling, but you know for a fact that something is missing still. Kaya 8 cups. Bakit kailangan meron dong uka? Something else is missing. And you have to leave this something pleasurable for you to have self-development. Kaya nga 8 is movement, diba? Moving away. Abandoning this task, assignment, or whatever you have that is initially something that is fulfilling, but there's a sense of emptiness to reflect on oneself. No? Kaya may waters din dyan. And grow from it. Kaya nga meron din dyan moon at merong mga rocky things. No?
Rocky. May
Friends,
mountain.
Yeah. Kasi it's going to be challenging. No? It's something that's not easy. Pero
Kasi
you have to do it.
Tama?
Yeah. Yeah.
Determination.
Stage left. Papunta siya sa stage left. Yan. Okay? So, it means moving away from something that is initially pleasurable. Right? Yeah. And then, we have
9.
the 9. The wish card.
Yes.
The wish card. Okay? Talks about a wish being fulfilled. No? Okay? You can see there, a person who is magarabo yung pananamit. Yayaman din na siya because they got their wish already fulfilled. Okay? So yun yung nine of cups. It also talks about confidence. Confidence dahil nakuha nila yung bagay na gusto nila. Okay? But be careful, no? Kasi it's a wish fulfilled. Itong always ko sinasabi dito. Makukuha mo yung wish mo, pero at the end of the day, did what you wish for is really aligned with your true destiny or what is important for you. Okay? So, be careful with what you wish for because it may come true.
Fair professor. Dahil parehong fulfillment ang hindi naman fulfillment, pero kaibahan ng 9 of, hindi pala, wag na yun. Hindi pala, iba pala yun. Ibang na.
Oh.
Sorry. Erase. Iba pala yun. Wala pa ako ng potato chips eh.
Titiran mo ko.
Uy,
Ito ha.
From Cosby masarap siya.
Hindi ko masabi. Hindi ko pa natikman eh.
Sige.
Okay.
Mamaya.
Anyway, punta na tayo. Anyway, ito pa. For me, personal meaning ko daw it's a hangover card. Okay?
Because?
Kasi it's a wish granted. No? Ito yung mga yes, nakuha mo, yung gusto mo mangyari. Okay? Kaya lang, at the expense of what? No? And party now, hangover tomorrow. Yan yung mga
Kala ko
tawag.
dahil marami siyang nainom sa cup.
Diba? Pwede naman.
Diba?
So just be careful with what you wish for. Pero maganda sa Ten of Cups. Ito, gusto ng mga sang katauhan ng Ten of Cups.
Uy, ito, pinapaharap ng lahat.
It's the card of happily ever
After.
Okay, di ba po? And now slightly, whether it's slightly. Kumanta
Matanda.
siya. Napagalataan ng mga panahonan
Oo,
natin.
bata pa po kami.
Ayan. So the Ten of Cups. So the Ten of Cups talks about, yan, happily ever after. Pero ito for me, there's no such thing as a happy ever after. It's something that you work on. Okay? And the central item, or the central symbol here would be the rainbow. Okay? The cups and the rainbow, no? So what's in the rainbow? Kaya makikita mo dito, nakatalikod. It's a stage card eh. So stage card, pag nakatalikod sa stage yung character, it means they're decreasing the focus on themselves and focusing it to something else. Kaya ang central item sa Ten of Cups would be the rainbow and the 10 cups there. Now, what's the symbol of the rainbow? The rainbow is made up of different colors. Okay, so you have red and orange and yellow. Kumanta na naman siya, friend. Okay, red, tama ba yun? Roy G. Biv, basta Roy G. Biv, no? Okay, so ano ibig sabihin yan? It's a choice to be happy and satisfied in whatever color your relationship or your status is. Okay? You can be happy when you're satisfied and you work your way kahit sa galit na pagkakataon na pula, red. Galit-galit, pero we choose to be happy still. Because we know yung red na yan is part of the rainbow.
Yeah.
It's part of the rainbow. Yung orange, yellow, joy. Okay? It's always part of the rainbow. No? Pero pag pinagsama-sama mo, it's something beautiful. Ayun. Ay hindi, magko-court cards pala tayo. No?
Oo, papya na court cards. Page
Sige.
of cups.
So the Page of Cups, again, no, we're going to have a separate session when it comes to the court cards, no? Kasi it's very multifactorial, it's multi-layered, no. But let's talk about the Page of Cups. It's one of the court cards na nasa stage. Okay? Yeah, stage card kasi ang Page of Cups. Okay? So the Page of Cups is, yan. Alam mo, napanood mo ba yung Luca? Hindi, it's on Disney Channel, by the way. Ano siya, it's set in Italy. Tapos it talks about coming of age story siya ng isang parang mer boy. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng pagkakataon na maging tunay na tao. Okay? Tapos, ang isa doon is, may tarot card doon na napunta sa ilalim. Tapos, tinignan niya, Page of Cups. Sabi ko, marunong magtaro yung gumawa nito. Kasi, ang Page of Cups is someone who is very curious, okay, very creative, very fruitful yung indigo child niya. Ang niya. Someone who is in touch with their spirituality, they're very curious, they're very spiritual, they're very creative. Okay? At carry mo ba yan, friend?
carry ko yan.
Sige. Yan. Dadalang ako dito. No? Okay? Inspirations as well. This is also, because Messenger, ang mga pages also, a message coming in regarding, tawag nito, emotions, feelings, okay? And spiritualities as well.
May magtatapat ba sa kanya?
Pwede.
Pwede,
Parang,
di ba?
parang, even yung yung Knight of Cups, parang offering nga.
Mas maganda yun. Mabagal.
Kaya lang, second to na pinakamabagal ang
Oo, mabagal. Siyempre, anything naman na tawag dito, hindi nadadaan sa mabilis.
True. Lalo na pagdating sa Knight of Cups. Kasi Knight of Cups is someone who is in search or in quest of their emotions, feelings, and relationships. But if we're going to look at it, di ba? Tingin-tingin nung Knight, yung cup nila, they're focused on the cup. Pero pag ikaw ay nakasakay sa kabayo, you're going somewhere. You do not need to be distracted. Otherwise, kung san-san ka mapupunta.
Matatapon yung show dyan.
Di ba? Kung san-san ka mapupunta, di ba? So, this talks about someone who is looking at their love life, their relationships, or whatsoever, but know that they have, kumbaga, other priorities, bigger priorities in life. They have somewhere to go.
Yes.
Okay? And because they're also sharing this priority pagdating sa love life nila, hindi pwedeng mabilis. Kasi madadapa yung kabayo at maliligaw. So okay lang na medyo mabagal yung galaw mo. Tama lang yung pacing ng Knight of Cups overall.
So maganda yan sa mga organic encounters.
True.
Organic encounters. Ang sabi ni RN, bata pa daw, ano to, Page of Cups. What gender and bata po ba siya?
Yeah, oo. Pero it really depends on the system. Some would say it's a child regardless of the gender. Some would say it's a young lady. Okay? But
Depende kasi sa cards like sa akin sa mother piece dahil very feminine ang approach ng deck. Of course, yung mga pages, mga feminine.
Feminine. So really depends on. Sometimes it may not refer to a person.
Yeah.
But rather your mindset. Lalo na kunyari, ang tinatanong mo, what do I need to do? What mindset do I need to take? You don't need to have a gender for it. Okay? Pero
so therefore non-binary.
yes. But based on literature, some literature would say it's a young child, regardless of the gender. Some would say it's a young lady.
Ano yan? Sabi ni JJ Santos.
O sige.
Pareho
Ko dati
dati.
nagpa-lead sa inyo dati. 2 years ago.
Laking tulong kahit matigas ulo ko. Oh my God!
Grabe na pagalataan gano'n katayo. 2 years ago pa talaga.
Oo nga, 2 years ago. Talaga ba? 2 years
Bakit hindi
ago?
naman sa TikTok?
Baka.
Kasi ako, I started TikTok 2024.
Oo, pero thank you naman, JJ Santos, at nahanap mo ang road to success.
Cheers to you.
Yes, cheers. Ayan.
Cheers.
Ganon, opo.
So,
Ganon.
it's so delicious.
Tubig
It's so
eh.
refreshing.
Ako eh!
Pero may meme na ganun dati. Hanapin ko mamaya. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Sige.
Okay.
Asan na tayo?
Queen na tayo. We're the king and queen of hearts. Sorry naman. Kumakanta na tayo. Okay. The Queen of Cups. Okay, pansin mo, siya yung pinaka-intricate na cup. Mas intricate pa nga siya kaysa dun sa sa Ace of Cups, di ba?
Laki oh.
Yeah, kasi this is the water of water. The queens are waters and water. Yun na naman tayo.
Mga marinis, bigla naman.
Yeah, the water of water. No? So, because it's water of water, this is someone who can integrate. Okay? Water of water, parehas element, this is someone who can integrate their emotions to whatever they are doing. Okay? These are someone who's honest when it comes to their emotions and they can integrate it with yung pagiging grounded nila.
Yeah.
Papansin mo dito, grounded, di ba? Nakapatong sila. Andun siya, nakapatong yung paan niya dun sa ground, pero the dress, kita mo, it's integrated, it flows freely to the water. Hindi mo nga maaninag kung saan yung nagsistart yung dress, well dito, kung saan nagsistart yung dress, at saan nag-end yung water, di ba? Therefore, yun nga, very passive to, no? Someone who can integrate their emotions into their decision-making and objectivity.
So
And then,
nonchalant? Hindi
well,
naman.
but you can say that, no? But it could be superficial and nonchalance kasi they can act upon it, no? Make decisions with regard to it, no? And it makes something beautiful. Because of this integration, the cups becomes the holy grail na.
Eto na pala yung hinahanap nila sa
Okay.
Da Vinci Code. Ito pa, dito
And
naman.
compare it with the King of Cups. And the King of Cups kasi this is more of, tawag nito, mature energy still, but this one, because this is fire of earth, no? And you know that fire and earth cannot go, tawag nito, hand in hand. Okay? But this is someone who has the maturity when it comes to their emotions and their feelings and relationships, but can separate that from their processes. Kaya makikita mo dito, yan, nakapatong sila doon sa earth, no, sa pedestal, at magulo yung water, wavy, pero hindi siya nakatapak doon. Okay? They are in the middle of water, they acknowledge the water, they have mastered it, and they lead. Authority kasi ang mga kings, no? They can lead by separating themselves, separating their decision-making processes with their emotions.
And look at the face.
It's giving what?
It's giving...
No,
Bakit ano? Wala akong bakit. Hindi.
Sorry naman, alam mo dati ko pa
Ayan
tinitingnan
ang
kasi
susi,
siya.
oh. Iba to eh. Ito sa Universal. Okay.
Kasi tingnan mo dun sa
Oo, medyo habaan no?
Diba? Oo.
Dito medyo square face eh. It's giving ano ah.
Baka mabash ako, kaya hindi ko sasabihin sige.
Kami lang na, sabi ni Adam, ano daw tong, tong neck. Di, pahiram ni Nick, universal weights. Yan, another version of, I feel like the art.
Ayun. We're done with the, with the force.
Yes, and I think lang tayo, on time lang tayo sa, with the, readings, para I don't think makakapag-readings pa tayo. Pero next time we'll be discussing, Swords and Wands.
Yes.
Yan. Mga mainit-init pa. Pero bago natin i-end tong live na to, we would like to thank again Cosby,
Patikim
Community
na.
Cafe. Ayan.
Patikim na.
Ito yung mga nila, they have coffee, they have snacks, they have yung mga pack na ganito na.
Akin to. Hindi, akin to.
Ay, thank you so much. Ay, by the way, oo nga pala, also, if you want these, yung mga charms na ganite, eto, lapit ko ha, follow Unique You sa Blue app. This is by Emilia. So, yan yung mga zodiac signs na
Ayan.
na mga
Hi,
keychains.
Amelia.
This is the CEO and the owner of Unique You. Yan.
Thank you so much.
So follow her on the Blue app and marami pa siyang products doon, yung mga brushes sa pwede mo ilagay ID picture. Yan.
Thank you.
Yes. Ay, parang hindi ka ganyan kanina.
Thanks so much.
Ayan. So, ano tayo dun sa mga sponsors natin?
Yes, and also, syempre, don't forget to follow Anam Cara if you want to revisit today's episode or kung na-miss yung mga first few parts. We are also on YT, so like and subscribe. And share it with your friends, if you have friends.
Ikaw na muna dyan, ako i-enjoy ko muna to.
Ano pa ba? Cosby Community Cafe, we would like to thank the staff also. Ayan, who assisted us. Ayan, say hi guys. Ayan. Thank you very much. Ayan, sa mga malapit sa QC, along, Alley 2, Project 6.
Road 6?
Road 6 ba? Project 6. Project 6. Yan.
Road 4.
Road 4 ba? Ano pinagsabi ko?
So, bahala na. Yung mga hindi nakapunta dito, pasensya na. Kung andun pa rin kayo sa ibang road. Kasi naman, bakit ganun ang pangalan? Pwede naman gawing mga bulaklak, ginawa pang 1, 2, 3, 4.
Basta makikita niya may nakalagay na maliit na logo ng Cosby Community Cafe. So, yan. Para tayong nasa bahay. And by the way, yung mga readers, okay pa ba kayo dyan? Yes. Ayan, make sure to follow them all.
Sino gusto man-promote ng kanilang mga page?
Promote pages. Come on.
Ayan.
Follow Mamoy Taro.
Ano yun natin? Punta tayo. Ay, ano ba yan?
Paano ba i-flip to? Di ba? Di marunong.
Ganun.
Ayun. Ay, bakla. Hindi ko alam.
Ayan. Perfect. Promote page.
Follow Mamoy Taro sa TikTok. Here, dito sa TikTok lang.
And I think si Mama yung nagwo-workshops din di ba?
Yes, sa Lucky P. For Lucky P.
Do you have a next workshop? Na ano?
Wala pa, hindi
Wala.
pa siya planned.
Okay. Siyempre si Emilia, you've already met.
Fresh tilapia. Unique Studio. Follow niya. Hindi ba? Oo, tilapia. Tanigi naman. Para tanigi. Chari.
Bang frozen.
Hindi frozen. Yung bagong katay. Gano'n.
I'm fresh. Fresh na fresh. Galing aquarium.
Kasi siyempre okay lang ba na pinakita namin kayo?
Ayan. Hey,
So,
Paul.
hey Paul.
Hi guys.
He's also a tarot reader. So, what is the name of your page or they can follow you?
Yes, you can just follow me sa TikTok, just search Apon, and sa Instagram, same username. Then.
Ayan, thank you.
Tumatakas na si Mark.
Ay, bakit? Ayan si bagong friend natin, si Zach or Stitch. Sana
Ibebenta din
makapag-live siya.
So soon I'll be making my own TikTok, and I wanted to also open my tire business. So yeah, soon na yan, soon.
How soon?
I don't know yet.
Sige,
Let
tingnan
you guys
natin.
know, let you post it, and let
Dahil panay once yan, mukhang in days. Charot.
so yeah, you know.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much you guys for ano.
Ayan. Pakita natin yung
Ay, pakita natin yung cafe.
Diba,
Oo.
ang ganda. Ayan. Also, it also houses a lot of workshops. So follow their Instagram. Currently, they don't have a TikTok account, but very soon. Ayan. So this is their place. Diba? Very homey, very cozy, no? So also, if you wanted to have mga workshops, you can also contact them, no? Ayan. Okay. O, magbababay na ako. Dito na lang ako kay Anak Parang. Bye, guys!
I wish I were there. We wish to. Tsari. Ano ba yun?
Ano kayo wish to? Guys, pa-follow si Adam Karen.
Ay, follow nyo ako for ano. And thank you, Cosby Community, for the ano. And we'll see you soon. Bye, everyone! Ano yun?
Bye!